When it comes to building lean muscle, a good exercise plan along with some solid protein is the key to success. Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX, and on today's show, I'm going to share with you my top 5 foods for building lean muscle on a plant-based diet. So my first protein source that I'm going to highlight today is quinoa, and quinoa is packed with protein and complex carbohydrates. Plus, it's loaded with minerals and fiber, and it's also a complete plant-based source of protein. Quinoa is an excellent option to chow down on post-workout. So another great protein source for building lean muscle are hemp seeds, and hemp seeds are a nutrient-dense food. They're packed with protein and healthy omega-3 fats, and you can sprinkle them on just about anything. So they're really easy to consume. So one of my favorite ways to enjoy hemp seeds is I'll throw them on my smoothie, on top of my smoothie bowl, or on top of my salad. Tofu is another great plant-based protein source to help you build lean muscle. It's high in protein, it's super low in calories, and it's also really inexpensive. So I highly recommend consuming tofu if you're looking to gain lean muscle mass. Another good protein source is protein powders. So protein powders are specifically formulated to help people get more protein, and they're ideal for those who follow a plant-based diet if they're concerned about their protein intake. Some really great plant-based protein powders are out there on the market. I would suggest looking for a pea protein or a hemp protein based product, and a great way to enjoy them is in a post-workout smoothie or just mixed in with some rice milk, which is a great carbohydrate source. So last on our list today are lentils. So lentils are, you guessed it, a good source of protein. They're also high in B vitamins, fiber, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about these plant-based protein sources to help build lean muscle. Just remember that building lean muscle will not happen overnight. It's important to stick with your workout routine and consume good quality protein sources like the ones we listed today, and you can make those goals happen.